guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Livia Rodriguez, better known as Style by Livia, and for today I want to talk to you about some products I received here in my house and I'm very excited about. So let's gonna start it. The brand who sent me these products are based here in the Netherlands. The name of the company is Meraki. I want to thank you so much because you look up to me for make a review of your products and let know and see to my audience what kind of products I like, and I am really loving it. I cannot wait to use your product, but just for the presentation and the way that everything smells, it's amazing. I have to tell you guys that Meraki is a handmade brand, okay? All those products that I'm gonna show you are made by hands, okay? And it's no joke. They put so much effort into every single product and it's great. This brand is also vegan, cruelty-free, artisanal, it's very natural, and I really feel like in love with the thematic. I really want to show you some of the products that I received. They were very kind to me and they sent me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 products that I can't wait to use it, because you know that for me the most important thing is how I care about my skin and my face. You know guys that I'm on my 30s, and for me it's very important to keep my face fresh with products that has quality on it, contains great system vitamins that will provide my face to keep it younger, beautiful, smooth, bright, shine, and all of it. Okay, this is a skincare base. They have a bunch of products which I'm gonna show you. That I would like to show you is this sweet and salty body scrub, and just look at this. It's so pretty. I mean, come on, how you cannot love it? And I just gonna open it because when I opened the box, it was so much smell, so delicious thing that I smell that. Oh my gosh, I just want to I want to shower right now. It's so delicious, and it's so cute that they incorporate also like a little spoon, and I really like it. It has a bunch of great ingredients: grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, Himalayan salt, sugar, rose petal, and bunch of other things. Next things I would like to show you is the Bohemian body butter, and it's 100% natural and vegan. It's mango butter, shea butter, extra virgin organic coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and oh my god, I mean, you can't believe how your body is gonna feel after applying this thing. I need to touch it. I just need to touch a little bit. I just want to know the consistency of the product. Oh my gosh, it's so. Oh my gosh, it's so. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my god, I'm having an orgasm right now. I'm having it. I am having it. Whoa, it feels soft. Okay, let's go and move on to the relaxing bath salt Flora Memories, and it's this guy that is right here. Oh my freaking lord, if you could smell how my studio is smelling right now, you will be here right now like a dying for love. Like I'm dying for love, because it's true. It's super delicious. This one is a Mondo face cleanser, and it really intrigues me because it's rose powder, rice flour, chia flour, and says that to use morning and night. Take a small amount and mix it with a little water. Apply on your wet face using circular motion. Rinse it with warm water. Okay, this is the first thing that I'm gonna be using because I am obsessed with cleansers. When I'm in love with a product and I just usually continue, the face just gets used to so much and doesn't do any other change. You don't see any difference, and that's the good thing to try it out. Good things and new things. So the next things I'm gonna show you is the romance rose water, and it's 100% pure, natural, and vegan Roma Damasia flower water, and it's this one that is right here. I like to spray my face. I just feel it like it's very fresh. And for last but not least is the Alba Natural Oil. I am like the most obsessing girl in the whole world with oils. My skin face is really oily, but I'm still using oils to my face. You guys, I'm gonna be listing below all the information and the website of this brand if you are looking for a handmade, natural, organic, vegan, super beautiful and delicious skincare brand. You can look up for them. Okay, I'm gonna be trying out the products. I'm gonna let you know how my face reacts to them. Please guys, do not forget to check the description box below, in which you're gonna find my Facebook, that is super cool, my Instagram that I keep in touch with you every single day. I'm letting you know everything I like, all I do, and I'm including you in my life a lot. I'm also gonna list down below my website and where you can reach about me, what I do, what is my job, what I do for living, and of course I'm gonna be leaving below the Meraki website, and you guys can check it out, the amazing products that they have. So I don't have anything else to tell you guys, just I see you soon and adios. Besos. Mwah. Meow.